Double your Shopify sales? Well, I've got less than a minute to teach you how. Number one, use email and SMS abandoned cart recovery. You can use PredictMail for this. Number two, you can use Debutify Reviews to get reviews on your website. You can install that from the Shopify App Store. Number three, you can use theme sections for trust badges, UGC, before and after sections, and announcement bar for shipping over $100. All helps increase your average order value while obviously as well increasing your conversion rate. Number five, use post-purchase upsell apps like ReConvert. It helps people to rebuy your product, usually with a 20% discount as a thank you. Helps increase your average order value in between 10 to 30%. As well as that, use Facebook ads, dynamic product ads. You can set them up as an Advantage Plus campaign that automatically retarget everyone that has seen whatever product on your website with a nice little offer to come back and buy when they haven't already purchased from you. And number six, use Google Ads brand search. When people search via Google at the Google platform, they can automatically find your brand because your ad will be right at the top.